Elizabeth and welcome to Branscombe Farm. Today I'm going to show you some of the morning chores that I do to make sure the rabbits are fed and watered, and I do health checks on the little babies, and I hope you come along with us today. So we have 3 barrels of feed. One is just plain pellets, one is sunflower seeds, which is Boss if you've ever heard of that, black oil sunflower seeds, and then one is some oats that we use for our, and some is oats that we use for our nursing mothers or our mothers that are pregnant. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I do is I go through and check all the rabbits' feed containers. And if they're low, I'll leave them up, and if they're good, then I'll just kind of shift it around and make sure they have some that they can get access to. And then I check their waters. Okay, so here we go. So first is our little red. Okay, she has quite a bit of food, so I'm just going to kind of use my hand and push down in there. But she's good. Next is my white doe. She has 1-week-old babies on her, and so I'm going to check her feed. It looks like she's good from last night. And then I'm going to put some black oil sunflower seeds in hers. Okay, next is my black doe. And she looks to be okay as well. My buck needs some food, so I'll make sure I get him some. My grow outs look okay. Alright, so I normally check on them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Since it's summertime, I always give them fresh water twice a day, so it's cool. There's our son. He's a little bit off the camera there. I'll show you him in a little bit. But I fill them up pretty good. I don't, do a specific. I fill their feeders up pretty good each time. I don't give them a specific amount or a diet. I want them to have free feed and be able to eat as much as they want. And so I'm just going to go back and fill in the few that are a little bit low. Okay. We just have a scoop that we use. It's 2-cup scoop. So I normally will do about a cup of feed if they're completely empty. On the nursing does and the ones that have babies, I will give them 2 or sometimes 2.5, because they're going to be in our grow out pens, our bigger pens, and they have 2 feeders on them, so they will get between 3 and 4 cups of feed. Okay, so their feed is good on the pellet side. I'm going to give a few of the nursing moms the sunflower seeds and the oats. About once every other day, I'll give it to the males just for a treat, because it helps them. Also, if it's molting time, they'll go through that molt. And in the wintertime, they get it more because it does help them to stay warmer. So, come on. So for my sunflower seeds, I normally just grab a handful and I'll just put a little bit in each of the mamas that are nursing or that are pregnant. So our first doe, our red, she's not pregnant. We're gonna actually try to breed her soon. She's only 4 months old. But the white doe and the red doe are both gonna get sunflower seeds today. Okay, the last thing I normally do is check their water and dump out any leftover water and give them fresh. But I have noticed our red mama, she has 3-week-old babies, and